guys, welcome back to Lightning the SD. So I got a sorry if you hear loud noise, I have to move my microphone. Okay, so I got a request to talk about this camera. As most of you know, I put this camera on my dog Lightning when he is working. So basically, I am going to talk about it and explain how it works. Grab the case. Okay. So, how it works. I cannot show you guys the little SD card that it comes with because I am currently uploading or editing a video right now. So basically, I bought this case separate. It is just a plastic case. It comes with this to take out this. I added this so I can put it onto things. I also put Velcro right there in between because this thing, it twists. You buy I'll show you guys what I bought and where I bought it. It is pretty affordable in terms of, it's less expensive than a GoPro by far. So you just use this, loosen it, and then you can take it off. Okay, so this is the camera. I got the blue. There are 3 colors: blue, black, and white. So this plastic case is on Amazon. I will show you the link to this, or what this is called. It is just a piece of plastic. It also comes with a remote. The red button is for pictures, and the gray button is for taking videos. So this is how small the camera is. This is where the batteries go. You just push and it pulls out, and I just smudged the screen or the lens. Okay, so these are what the batteries look like. They have this little thing on the bottom. Do not pull that out. That is to help you get it out of here. So these are the batteries. They're pretty small. It comes with a case. I customized mine with rhinestones and super glue. But it comes with 2 batteries. You can buy more online. And this is where you charge them. You can use a normal charger that fits that. My phone charger works for this. So it's pretty self-explanatory. You can just put this and plug it into a phone charger or your computer or whatever you want, and it should work. In terms of how this works, so these on the inside, those little things line up with the inside, and you click it in and you push up. These buttons are the Wi-Fi buttons. It has an app. I personally have the app. It connects to Wi-Fi so you can watch the videos on your phone if you do not have a computer to upload them. You can upload them through the app if you want. I will show you how that app works on my phone in a little bit. So there's this button. It is a 4K camera. It is a very good price for a 4K camera. So this says mode. You press this down, and it does that. You can also, it has this slot. It has different things. You can actually charge the battery in the camera if you would like. But my battery is basically dying, so I am going to put in a new battery really quick. Because I don't want it to stop working while I'm trying to film this. The dead battery is in here now. now I'm gonna pop this one in, same way, and power it on. Okay. It makes that noise. And okay, you can see me, kinda. So the power is right down there. And it will say, it has mic and mode. If you press this button, the button up front, you can change the mode. This is camera. And then this is 4MP wide. And then wide mode again. Then settings. And then back to recording. So, when you want to record a video, I personally am not going to. You will press the gray button once. And it usually works like that. So, that is how this works. To use the app is what I am going to show you on this phone that I currently have. So it is called AKASO Go. It looks like that, and it should look like this when you power it on. So basically, if you click on your device, this one is the EK7000. You can connect your device. I'm actually going to connect this. So I click on me, my device, and then connect. Okay, you press the down button, this down arrow, once, and it turns on the Wi-Fi. You hit next step. After you hit the little thing right there, sorry, it's really bright. Okay, you connect the device and your Wi-Fi, it'll come up with this Wi-Fi. It says AKASO_A_0484, and you click on it, and then it connects, and it'll be right there. Then you can go back, and then it will be loading like so, and it will show you your videos, or see, it is now connected. It can see you guys, and it can see me through the app. You can record. You can hit record on this app, and it will record straight to your phone. If you want to use these as security cameras, you can. They can be used as anything. But now I am going to turn the Wi-Fi off, and you press down. Just simple. You press the down arrow once for turning it on and once for turning it off. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to turn this off. It makes the beep noise. I'm going to show you what this camera is and where you can find it now after I put it back in here. So I put this on, you put that one there, and then it has that there. And then just put it back on. Wiggle it a little bit. I usually angle it a little bit upwards. And then you use this, and you go that way to tighten. I do it 1.5 times, and there you go. That is done. So now I am going to share what camera it is and where I bought it. Okay, give me 1 second here. Okay. Okay. I am going to turn this off. Alright, so this is the camera. It is this one. As you can see, there is black and white. It comes with this case. I don't recommend this case. It kind of sucks. 2 batteries, the remote, and this, and the camera. It is $54.99 right now. It's very cheap. I personally recommend buying the accessories pack. Let me find it. I have to find the accessories pack. Okay. Okay. So the accessories pack is mainly okay. Let me find it. I have to find the one that I personally bought because I want to give you guys the exact one that I bought because it is better to buy that one. Okay, here. I'm just which one is it? Sorry for the technical difficulties, you guys. My computer has been acting up, but oh, here we go. I found the frame mount that I purchased. Okay, gonna turn that on. This is the exact one that I personally bought. I highly recommend this one. It is very good if you want to capture the audio of your it is $13.03. I would say that's a pretty decent price for the type of thing it is. As you guys know, do videos of lightning in public. This camera really helps out with bad and good interactions, so I can show you guys how the general public treats disabled people or people who have service animals. Because in reality, it is not always so pretty. And now I'm going to show you guys the accessories pack. I think it's down here. No, it is not. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so I need to look at my orders because I know I bought it, but I cannot personally find it on like searching it, and I don't want to, make you guys wait forever, so I'm just gonna speed this up. Sorry about my notification sound, it's annoying, I know. Okay. Here we go. I found them. So I'm gonna show you guys the accessories pack that I bought. Okay. Alright, this is the accessories pack that I bought. It comes with this little thing, the little thing with the arrows. That is the one that I modified for my needs. You can like super glue it together in the way I did, but I did it with Velcro because that's all I had on hand at the time. But it also comes with more of these little things to hold the camera in place, a I think that's for water, a little body mount, a head mount, and like these, I personally just don't use these. These are for helmets, and it also comes with a selfie stick and like a little thing for your accessories. The only one I really use is this because I lost the one that I had for tightening it, so I just used that one, and I use this one too. But yeah, it also works on GoPros, so it's like pretty good, pretty good. So yeah, I would recommend this if you are buying the camera. If you just want the two accessories, I don't know if you can buy them separately, but yeah, you should be able to purchase that. Um, yeah, and that is basically our in-depth video of how it works. Yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. If you want more videos on like what things to buy for service dogs, or what to buy when you first start out, or if you want training videos, please let me know in the comments down below, because I don't know what you guys want to see. I know you guys love Lightning Cam. Sorry I haven't been uploading. Things have been hectic AF, and I have not been able to every time I want to film, I forget my camera at home, and then I can't film because I can't film Lightning Cam if his camera isn't on him. But yeah, bye guys. Subscribe for more and click the notification bell to always, so you never miss our videos.